Trying to plan something in a group chat, a total disaster. 100 messages from 10 people, nobody replies, someone misunderstands. The final decision, 0. Say you are deciding where to eat on Friday night. Someone says pasta, someone says Chinese. The messages get lost. But if you know this one feature, it changes everything. WhatsApp's very own poll. A decision in 30 seconds, 0 hassle. Welcome to Phone Transformer. I have seen 80% of people get stuck on one thing. I will show you step by step how to make a perfect poll and control it. First, open WhatsApp right from your phone. Then open that specific group chat where you want to drop the poll. I am opening this group of my friends. Now look right at the bottom. If you use an iPhone, you will see a plus icon on the left. And if you are an Android user like me, tap this paperclip icon on the right. A lot of people close the video at this exact step. But if you miss the next step, the whole poll fails. After opening the menu, you will see several options on your screen. Gallery, location, contact. Scroll down, look at the poll icon. 3 bars, a tiny logo. Tap directly on this poll option. Tapping it opens the poll page. The interface, completely simple, 0 complexity. Right at the top, it says, ask a question. Tap here and type your main question. Say I am typing, what time should we start the Friday afternoon meeting? Keep the question clear. If you write it in a confusing way, nobody will vote. To the point, short, sharp, done typing is finished. Now we have to set our answer options. Tap exactly on the options area right under the question. Write your first answer here. I wrote 4 p.m. Notice as soon as you write the first one, another empty box appears below it. Tap there and write 5 p.m. This way you can add many more options if you want. I am keeping 3 options for now. More than 5 options, confusion goes up. 3 to 4 is best. Set them as you need. Now for the most critical setting. Look down, allow multiple answers. It stays on by default. But leaving it on is a risk. One person will vote for all options, which is very annoying. So if you want an entirely accurate decision, tap this button and turn it off. Turning it off means one person can give only one vote. I always prefer to keep this turned off. Glance over everything once to see if it looks right. The question is fine, the options are right too. Turned off multiple answers, everything is perfect. Now tap the send button located right at the top right corner of the screen. As soon as you tap, look, the poll went to everyone in the group. It looks pretty nice and organized, right? Now the group members just tap on their favorite option and the vote will be counted. The voting started. But how do you see who is voting for what? Look right at the bottom of the poll. There is an option named View Votes. Tap there. Here you can clearly see how many votes fell on which option and exactly who voted. A highly useful feature there, so easy. From now on, no more fights in your group, just clicks and results. If this helped, subscribe to Phone Transformer. I will be back with more hidden features in the next video.